All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelain Man Over Market, and this is the morning call. Well, retail sales got us really good. The market's making a nice correction. So here's that chart we talked about, and we've gone down and made a low today of 1984. I believe it's 84. Let me get it. I'm sorry, 1985 and a quarter. 1985 and a quarter. Um, this breakout is telling us that the market is headed to this low, which is 1961. Um, I'm cautious about that. I'm cautious about it. We got more numbers coming out today, uh, and I'm cautious about the market being where it's at. Otherwise, um, I think you got to be careful on the short side down at these levels because we got the opportunity to bounce back at any time. Let's see. We got it. So basically, we got the Atlanta Fed business inflation expectations at 10 a.m. and business inventories at 10 a.m. So that's going to be at 9 o'clock. So half hour into the trading session, we got two more major numbers coming out. But things are telling us that we're heading to basically 1961 would be this breakout that we've made from here from the trend line that I've drew number one. But number two, remember we talked about two higher closes and we're 1, 2, 3, 4 working on our fifth day lower, and then so you're going to have to be selling rallies. I'd be careful selling it down there in the hole. Be careful selling it down there in the hole because when we start getting to these levels, these short covering rallies will be brutal. So um, that's what I got to say about that. If we look at here's our 5 minute chart right here. Okay, so we see that we've gotten to S1, which was 1984. Let me give you some numbers down below this now. Are going to be 19. I have got, well, I'm actually right there. 1989 half, 1984 75. All right in here. Okay, 1982 half, 1979 half. We got 74 half. So I got all these on here. These are all levels. All right. S2 is 1972 and a quarter. All right. We got 1965, and then 1961 half is that low that would mean that we made 100% retracement of that move from December 16th. That's the low down there. All right. On the upside, let's take a look here. All right. So on the upside, we've got a big profile that's created a gigantic amount of single prints. Let me bring that over here. All right. So if I bring this down, here's a profile. Here's the low today, 1985.20. So that looks like that's not complete yet. We've got single prints back up through here, and then back up into the distribution. But they're all the way up here. We've got all these single prints from yesterday. So right now you got to stay with the trend. Trend is your friend, and like I said, I'm optimistically, I don't want to be selling it in the hole. All right, let me take a look at this chart. Here was the day yesterday. This was the day distribution for all right, there we go. All right, so this was the day only yesterday. The day only. Look at that move, 5,000 points yesterday. So I mean, this looks like if it's going to get complete, it's going to get completed down here, which is uh, well, this is we went down there and touched that low already, right above it, 1984, 1986, and then over here is the here's the December 16th low right here. So this is showing you that right there. Okay, so there's 1963. So we this was a day only, so it hasn't taken into account that we've already been down to 1980 86. So that's what it looks like from here. On the upside, all right, the 5 minute pivot is now moved to 2006. Okay, and the bottom of value is 2007 half. All right, and so I will be giving you some color based on where this pivot is in relationship to the market if it keeps moving down. All right. So right now the trend is down. All the pivots are in a sell, even the 4 hour pivot. So, like I said, um, you got to, we talked about breaking out of that distribution, but you can tell I got a little hesitancy in my voice, and I want to get you guys short down here in the hole. I'll be selling rallies until we take out this 5 minute pivot. All right, everybody, have a good day, and be careful on the short side. Make sure you're selling rallies. Remember, the rotation is 5 points, so I'd be looking for 5 point rotations, and ultimately, we're already down 2,500 points, so another 2,500, which would be like 5,000 points down, would put us at the objective of 61, 63. All right, everybody, be careful. Good luck, and I will talk to you later.